Here in the video, we are going to talk about Skate 4 error code 14780784008. The error reads, connection lost, failed to connect to EA services, please retry. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes after around 5 minutes of playing the game, and then the users are disconnected from the servers. According to our research, the error is likely related to network issues, game version, or sometimes a possible server-side problem. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your router. Simply turn off your router, unplug it from the power source, wait for a few minutes, and then restart it. Once your internet is back, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try downloading and running Cloudflare Warp. A few users have shared that using Cloudflare Warp helped them fix the issue. Once installed and running, check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. This will help you rule out any issues with your current network. After switching the network, see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then check if your game needs any update. If there is any pending update, install it and check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it might be a server-side issue. In that case, we suggest waiting and trying again later. If the issue continues for too long, then contact the game support and report the problem. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.